Wow, we're doing a guitar giveaway. You ready for this? Yes, check this out. Okay, that was a fail. Guitar giveaway. Alright. Oh yeah. Let's check it out. Wow. Check this out. Oof. It's one hot guitar, I'll tell you that. Wow, yeah. I think it's really cool. I'm gonna check it out. And we have the knives and the uke for comparison. Not really. Whoa! Check out this beautiful guitar. Before I dive into how you can get this guitar for yourself, I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate you being here, a part of the journey, so it means a lot, and I'm really, really grateful that we're here talking and hanging. Okay, how to get this free guitar. First, follow my YouTube and drop a comment right now, please. Thank you. Second thing, follow this link or in the bio, and then you can get the free guitar. If you want to get extra entries, basically meaning you have more chance to win this guitar, you can do two things. First, download my free jam track from this website. Second thing, follow IG and YouTube of the Angelico, this awesome guitar company. Oh, very, very important. Please, please, please don't fall into the scam trap, okay? Like, I'm not gonna ask you for any money. All I'll ask you is your address and probably that you take a picture of the guitar and send me because I think it's cool. So please just be careful with that. All right, I just unboxed this guitar. I just tuned it. So literally, let's check it out. So this is how it sounds. Wow, it feels really great. One of the things I really love about the Angelico guitars is they're super comfortable physically. Just like hanging with the guitar feels great. It's interesting, I literally just met this guitar, but I feel like I know her, you know? It feels really, really good. I mean, yeah, it's a great instrument, and I know a lot of people spend a lot of money on guitars, and it's fine, of course, if you can, but actually, you know, this guitar is not crazy expensive compared to the market, and it's a really, really great instrument. So if you have any doubts about, you know, you want to start with a guitar that's not crazy expensive, I would really recommend this. I can literally play all my gigs on this and be very happy. And it also has some more options. Let's check it out real quick. So I guess this is this sound. Maybe kind of a little sweeter than this bright. Curious how it's gonna sound with distortion. Wow, I mean, that was really fun. I mean, this guitar feels great, I have to admit. There's nothing to admit, it's just a really good instrument. And it's always surprising how you can just meet a new guitar and it's right off the bat feels like home. Yeah, great guitar. If you want it, go get it.